Want to know how to browse or check out for communities in the Playsee app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application. And once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you are on this interface here, you should be seeing this post page right here. By default, you should be provided into it. Now, searching up or browsing for communities is super simple. So you can just simply select this search bar on the bottom right here, on the bottom navigation bar that should be right beside notifications. So once you target here on the first, you should be seeing trending communities. So you can see various communities right here, and in order to browse for more, you can just simply select see more right here and then see various communities that are available. So in order to search for more of the communities, you can just simply select search right here on top, and you can search communities as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and join with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.